Numex is a marketplace for certified coins. Built around one idea, you should know exactly what you're buying before you buy it. We sell mystery packs backed by real PCGS and NGC-graded inventory. But unlike traditional mystery boxes, every pack shows you the full coin pool and the exact odds before you spend $1. Here's a pack. You can see every coin that could be inside, the probability of pulling each tier, and the floor-to-ceiling value range. Nothing is hidden. The odds are published as percentages, and the pool is browsable. If packs aren't your thing, the marketplace has 50 listed coins you can buy outright. Search by name, sort by price, and every coin has a product video so you can inspect it before purchasing. Each coin page shows the 360 video, obverse and reverse source images, grade, certification number, price history from NGC and PCGS guides, and the full specification sheet. This is collector grade detail, not a thumbnail and a price. When you're ready to buy, checkout goes through Stripe, card, or crypto. No wallet setup, no gas fees, no Web3 friction. After purchase, the coin sits in your vault portfolio. You can track its value, see its custody status, and access your integrity proof, a verifiable record linking your physical coin to an on-chain registry on Base. Collectors can also submit their own PCGS or NGC coins into the vault. Enter your cert number, we look it up, and the coin enters custody review for listing on the marketplace. When you open a pack, the reveal shows you exactly which coin you pulled, with its product video and full details. The selection is verified through a Merkle inclusion proof committed before the sale,